Hey now, this is Grace Marie Jones of CaughtUp Consulting's Abounding Credit Division, and I'm coming to you on FICO Friday to talk about FICO scores. Now, just to recap, in our last video we talked about a FICO score and a FICO score. The FICO score is a score with a range from 501 to 990 points, and it was really designed to help both consumers and businesses evaluate whether or not a consumer would be a good risk, and it really kind of factored in people who were in the past factored out, such as people who maybe had a thin credit file and weren't able to give a fair, true picture of their financial status. So we left that behind to look for FICO scores. FICO scores are the scores that most lenders and creditors use to evaluate whether or not you're a good risk as a consumer and how much credit will be extended to you. So looking here, the FICO score, you can earn up to 550 points. The range for this score is 300 to 850 points. So 550 points is the potential of points that you can earn. And we have 5 categories that FICO scores are made up of. So the largest would be payment history, and that's 35% of the FICO score. And what lenders are looking at here, and what FICO is looking at here is, do you pay your committed bills like you said you would, how much you said you were going to pay, and on time when you said you were going to pay them. So they're looking at consistency. Now our goal is to be at 100%. This is weighty. You can earn up to 192.5 points, so why not try to get them all? The 100% is what we're aiming for. Now, I'm not naive. Of course, you're here for a reason. You want to learn more about credit, probably because you need to improve your credit. This would be one of the areas that we want to start with today. Sit down, if you haven't already done it, make a budget. Know when your money is coming in and when you're going to write the check so that you're on time with at least the minimum payment every month. Okay, if you can do above that, that's great. Resist the temptation, as I have failed at myself in the past, to say, oh, this bill is only $10 a month. I'm going to just double up next month. Or, hey, I'm just going to pay $20 this month and let it cover the next. Well, at the time, when I was ignorant to the ways that credit worked, that wasn't a good thing. So even if it's a small bill, you can show that you can be consistent with little, and they'll maybe even trust you with more. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my talk on FICO scores and payment history. But if you want more information about credit, please visit CaughtUpConsulting.com, and there you'll find informative articles as well as videos, and you'll find answers to frequently asked questions about credit and credit improvement, and you can sign up for a consultation. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.